All right. So it's snowing, as you can see, and we're gonna talk about like the best season to visit Japan. Snow's gonna hit my face like constantly, so but I really want to talk about this because I love snow, snowfall in general. Um, right now it's not quite as cold enough for it to pile, I think. It might get there this week, but last year when I went to language school, I saw a couple of days where, like, the snow piled and everything. Um, Oddly, like, maybe because of, you know, climate change, it's getting harder for it to do that in Kyoto, Japan specifically. Definitely less days for sure, but it's so beautiful whenever I get to see it like that. And I think winter is probably one of the most underrated seasons for visiting Japan because they call it like dead season when it's January and February, which is basically when it snows. Obviously, there are still tourists around, but yeah, it's just so beautiful. Like, I don't know if you're seeing this properly, but like, it just looks so nice. I know on the phone it's like you can't really fully see the snow falling, but it's like covering all of the air, and it's just incredibly beautiful. But I can honestly just sit around and watch this for hours. It might not go on for hours though. It just started and I saw it through the window and I'm like, I gotta get out and film real quick. This was a video I wanted to make quickly as well. Just visiting during winter. I think both times I just really loved it. I mean, of course, you know, visiting during spring is like the season to go because of the cherry blossoms. And admittedly, gosh, cherry blossoms are beautiful. Like when they're in full bloom, they're extremely beautiful. Like some of the most beautiful things I've seen. But the snow as well has also been some of the most beautiful things I've seen. It's like floating right now. It's not just going down. It's like going up and down, and it's just insane with the sun. You know? Oh my gosh. Either way, um, I haven't actually fully seen colored leaves yet. I've seen them a little bit in Nijigen no Mori in November, but I think that I think that I'll have to come back during November to fully experience um, colored leaves. It doesn't last for very long, so that's another season, of course, that's beautiful to come to Japan. Which hopefully next time it hits autumn, I can try to see that more. Okay, I think the snow is kind of like dying down now because probably because of the sun, but yeah, that's just my quick 2 cents. Like winter is just extremely beautiful and underrated, and definitely um, it's unpredictable is the unfortunate thing for snow. So you can't exactly plan it unless you go to Hokkaido, obviously. Then of course you're gonna hit snow during winter. But for a place like Kyoto, or I don't know about Tokyo, but at least for Kyoto, like it's kind of random. And but every time I see it, I'm like, I should go to a temple or something like that because it's extremely beautiful. Especially last year when I visited Eikandos and Rinji when it snowed. So beautiful. Yeah, but I love it. It feels so good. It's like, I don't know, so there's something so nice about just walking in the snow when it's falling with the sun. It's like just hovering all around. It's so nice. I just wanted to share this experience as well, other than talking about my thoughts about which season to visit. But in Kyoto, at least, all seasons are quite nice except for summer. Um, I've heard so many people and my language school friends tell me that during the summer it was just so hot. Um, I wasn't around during summer, so I can't say it for myself, but they told me that it was a good thing that I left. So maybe don't go during the summer. But there are some festivals in the summer that are exclusive to summer, so I'll eventually check it out for myself. Okay, I think that's it. I'll just take a look or walk around in this hovering snow for a little longer, and then I will get back to work. Okay, see you guys in the next one.